Okay, this is on a geometry summer packet problem 61, 62, and 63. Now I'm just going to set up equations of the system and I'm not going to solve it because I know you can solve the systems. Just setting up is hard. Okay, so okay, it says using one variables, but I show you the equation with one variable, but I think it's easier to explain with two variables. Okay, so the sum of the two numbers is 16. The greater of the two number is one more than 4 times the lesser number. So two numbers are x and y, and let's say x is greater than y. Okay, so that means the sum of the two numbers is 16. So x plus y is 16. And greater the two number, so the x is one more than the 4 times the lesser number for y. Okay, so that's the equation you solve. Okay, all right, this one, the width of a certain rectangle is 2 meters greater than, oh, I'm sorry, and I was supposed to show you the one variable equation, right? So now x is expressed in terms of y, so you can just plug this into here, and then 1 plus 4y plus y equals 16. Okay, so that's the using one variables. So, but I think it's hard to go straight to here. I think it's easier to think of two numbers and do it this way. Okay, and then just solve this, and then get x and y. Okay, the same thing here. The width of a certain rectangle is 2 meters greater than half the length. So let's say this is width and length. Width is 2 meters greater than half the length, and 4 times its length is 26 meters greater than its perimeter, so it's 2L plus 2W. Okay, and again this is W equal, so you can put that in the W, and then you have, and then this is 4L and 2L, so you subtract 2L, then you get 2L equal 26 plus 2 times 2 plus 1/2 L. So I would say that would be the equation that you use with one variables. Again, I think it's very hard to get to here straight without doing the two variables. But if you can, that's fine. Or if there's a better way to do it, let me know. And then you distribute 2, so that's a 4, and that's 1L. Clean up, so for L, then you can solve for W. Okay, this one is a system. The difference between difference between 3 times one number and the lesser one is 37. The sum of the greater number, okay, so again, x and y, and x is greater than y. So the difference between 3 times one number and the lesser one is 37. So 3 times one number minus the lesser one is 37. So that's the difference between the 3 times the bigger number minus the difference, so you subtract it. Lesser number is 37. The sum of the greater number and twice the lesser number is 38. Okay, so that's the system you solve.